Hello, everyone. We're going to switch it up today at Cindy Harper Speaks, and we're going to read a nonfiction informational text. And it says, "What would we do without bees?" I think you'll find this quite interesting. I don't think a lot of people understand how important bees are to our existence. It's by Lisa Trumbauer. So our essential question is, how do plants survive? Chapter 1, think a bee. Yum. These apples taste great. Apples grow from apple trees. Bees pollinate the flowers. That causes apples to grow. Each part of the apple flower has a job. The petals have colors that attract bees. The pollen, seeds, and nectar are made in flowers. The bees make honey from nectar. A bee puts its head into one flower to find nectar. Pollen gets on the bee's body. Then the bee goes to another flower. See the pollen? Some of the pollen comes off the bee. Now the other flower is pollinated. From pollen to fruit, chapter 2. Bees take the nectar and pollen back to their hive. Bees can fly far away from their hive. They must find the right kind of flower. Fruit grows for a reason. The fruit is like armor. It grows around seeds to protect them. An apple keeps the small brown seeds inside safe. New trees can grow from the seeds. Bees help the apples grow. Bees help other kinds of fruit grow too. You may see lemons, cherries, and peaches at the market. Watermelon, pears, and blueberries are yummy too. Our fruit markets would be empty without bees. Chapter 3, Keeping Bees. Beekeepers are people who help bees. They place hives close to flowers. The bees gather nectar and pollen from the flowers. They go back inside their hive. They turn the nectar and pollen into sweet honey. Beekeepers take some of the honey. The bees don't mind. They just keep doing their work. Beekeepers have to wear special suits. A beekeeper's suit keeps bees out. A special hat with a net keeps bees off the beekeeper's face. No one wants a bee sting. Farmers like having beekeepers nearby. Bees pollinate the farmer's crops. Without bees, the farmer's fruit would not grow. What do we have? Kiwi, pomegranate, cantaloupe. Without bees, we would not have many fruits. We would not have honey. Let's thank the bees for tasty food. That was our story. So now we know the bees go to the flower. They drink the nectar. The pollen gets on the bee. The bee goes back to the hive. They make honey. And the fruit grows around the seeds. Because when we eat an apple, there's seeds inside, right? Well, those seeds inside that apple, you plant them, another apple tree. So I hope you like this short informational text on what would we do without bees. We wouldn't have fruit, would we? If you like this, please press like again, and I'll see you next time at Cindy Harper Speaks. Thanks for tuning in, and bye for now.